So I'm here at Portland Nursery on Stark Street. I'm standing by Sarah. And Sarah, we have talked about the huge selection of herbs that you guys sell, first of all, just a little while ago. And you had mentioned some recipes and things that you love doing with fresh herbs. So today you're going to tell us one of those recipes.
Yeah, I kind of mentioned it in passing and thought we would give you guys the whole recipe. So the one that I use for it is dill, which actually grows quite quickly, like most herbs I find. But we also pulled some garlic chives, or you could do some parsley or something in it as well. So the recipe is a steelhead foil packet recipe. It's super easy and healthy. So we just start by preheating the oven to 325. Lay out some pieces of foil. Put in a handful of asparagus in each one. Put the fillet of steelhead on top of that. And then we sprinkle some garlic salt, some dill, and, well, I just put
A sprig of dill in there.
Sprig of dill.
Yeah.
And then some butter and lemon. And then you just wrap it up. I put it in 2 layers of foil just so it doesn't leak out.
Right.
And then just put it on a cookie sheet in the oven and make some rice, and you've got a whole meal.
And how long is it in the oven for?
Good question. 20 minutes.
Oh, wow, that's hardly any time at all.
25 if you like it a little more cooked, but
Right,
20
right.
I think is just right.
Well, we love gardening because of things like this, the wonderful amount of herbs that you can use fresh from your own garden. Of course, Portland Nursery has a massive selection of herbs, so stop by either store to get some of those. But if you're thinking, I want the recipe, go to gardentime.tv. We'll click you over because they're going to put it on the Portland Nursery website so you can print it out from there. Thank you so much, Sarah.
Thanks.